dive into specifically what exactly is bipolar. You have different sorts of bipolar. You have bipolar 1, which is manic episodes. You have bipolar effaced. So there's no longer a barrier between the subconscious and the conscious. Now, neurolinguistic programming basically is a correlation between neurological processes, linguistic models, behavioral patterns, and the human experience. So what do they all in terms of impulsivity, disinhibition, grandiosity, pathological compulsion, and promiscuity? There's a sense of awareness and there's a sense of unawareness. Sociolinguistics and psycholinguistics, I explore each subset within the context of the flow, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave, but that's just from a physics perspective. Self-explanatory. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception, trajectory that occurs. You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Persuasion.